guys, welcome to today's video. My name is Isabel. If you are new here, if you were returning, hello. So good to see you guys. In today's video, I am going to do a little hair tutorial. Actually, I have two cute little hairstyles. The amazing INH hair reached out to me and wanted me to try out some of their products. You guys, they are so good. The quality is A+. I have a discount code with them. I'll obviously link everything in the description. We are getting ready for hot girl summer. I'm a mom, so it's the hot mom summer. I thought it was time for a hair tutorial. It's been a while, so definitely check them out when you're done watching the video. They're a one-stop shop. You will be amazed at all the stuff they have. Everything you need is there. Obviously, I am just obsessed with the ponies. You'll see them throughout the video, how to apply them. I just feel like Ariana Grande and I don't want it to ever end. All right, anyways, that's enough of me being Ariana Grande for a day. Let's get on into the tutorial. All right, guys, we're gonna get into today's video. So this is my second time filming this. I filmed the entire tutorial video and I thought I was recording, but I never hit record. So anyways, we are gonna get a nice snatched pony. I am absolutely obsessed with INH's pony clip-in extension. So for me, I've come very far. If you've followed me for a long time, from the beginning of my channel, you know I used to like at home bleach, just completely bleach my hair, and I destroyed my hair, And we've come a very long way, but I still could use that little extra boost of confidence in my ponytail wise, and that's why I'm so excited to have these clip-in ponytails to add that extra oomph and boost that confidence, boost that ponytail, baby, because it makes a huge difference. Like, you're gonna see the before and after, and it's wild. What I'm gonna do right now is, where are all my... Okay, this is life. Like, this stuff is wild. It's the Lock It Extreme Style Gel. It's the Maximum Hold by L'Oreal. I'll link it if you're interested. So I'm just gonna do a really high slicked pony. So I'm gonna put this in fast forward because who wants to see me try to do this? It takes like so much. So I have a little comb, and then I have, this has all my hair in it because I've been brushing my hair, but I'll link this as well. This brush is everything. It like really slicks everything back. So I am going to do that for our first pony look, and then we'll go from there. So I'm just gonna, we're gonna fast forward. All right, see ya when we're slicked. So for the actual pony tying, I like to double up my elastics because I just feel like one doesn't give as much hold, and I try to put it around as many times as I can. We're really cutting it close here. Ugh! Okay, so our pony is looking good, snatched. So see how it doesn't look awful, but it's just kind of like sad. So I'm gonna take some more of the gel. Sorry, my mirror is this way. So I'm just gonna get right up to those edges to really, we want this slicked high pony, like no joke, honey. Really tighten that, and then I'm gonna take this little brush and gently sweep these like front hairs so they have those like nice, I just love a good slicked hair moment. Okay, so we're slicked. We're good. That actually wasn't as like traumatic as I thought. The pony that we're going to use today is the MIYA, and I have it in the shade Champagne Blonde. So I can't even tell you, like, the quality of this hair is insane. Like, look, hold on, just look at this. Let me just untangle the, look at this pony. Look at this ponytail. Look at this ponytail. Isn't that wild? I'm obsessed. So, they were great. Their customer service is amazing. Like, they, if you need help picking out the color matching can be so hard online. And you can send, what I did, I sent them a picture of my hair in like the natural light. It was in my car, I think, where you got that good lighting, and they chose the color champagne blonde is for both of the ponies they sent. So what we have here is, you got this big, gorgeous pony, and then this, you're like, what is this? This is what will go around like the base of your ponytail, so it covers up the elastic. And then they have their little tag INH right in there, and then this part will stick. I'm going to show you, but it's going to kind of go into your hair on top of your pony. We also have 2 bobby pins that come with them just to really tuck everything in and make sure everything's really secure. So everything's good. We're ready to rock and roll. So what we're gonna do is, I just want to make sure this is all perfecto. So I'm gonna take the pony, I'm gonna stick these little pins right into the front of my pony, like right on top of it, and like really get it under there. So then we're right here, and we're gonna wrap around. I am deceased. Like, can we stand it? Can you stand it? So there's Velcro, and you're just gonna attach, make sure that's all in there. You're gonna connect all the Velcro, and then take this piece and wrap it really tight. Grab your bobby pins. Secure that in with the bobby pins. Okay, if this is not a Britney Spears moment, I don't know what, like, stop. So can just like look at this hair and look at it. So your pony, so like my real hair is like wrapped all in between the pony. So I also have this cute little scarf that I think would like be a moment, like very Ariana Grande. Or is this not so cute? I'm dying. Like, I need to, so obviously you don't have to wear it in a high pony. You can put the pony into anything. You can braid it. Oh my God, should we braid it? I'm obsessed. Like, how cute. Okay, so wait, I just kind of want to try the scarf because I brought it up with me to try it out. So let's see. All right, so I got this cutie little scarf. I'll link it if it's still available. I'm sure it is. And we're just kind of make sure she's nice and wrapped up. So good. Like, doesn't this just like give an instant facelift? Like, that's what I feel like this tight pony does. So anyways, oh my God, there's so much hair. I don't even know what to do. Be not. Like, what am I trying? Oh, wait, that's kind of cute. If you like tuck the little bunny ears back. Okay, never mind. Did you see my vision? I was trying to be cute. I can play around with it and make it cute. I just feel like you don't want to sit here watching me trying to make this scarf work. Okay, like cute. Do you see what I'm saying? Or like I could wrap this scarf around the base. Anyways, enough with the scarf. I just thought it would be like a cute little added piece. But like can you believe how much hair? Anyways, All right, so we're gonna take her out now. I feel like it's been so long since I've done like any kind of hair tutorial. So let's see this maximum strength hold though. Like, I don't know if my hair is going to be okay. Can you just like look at that? Like, how sad. Like, what a moment and how sad. All right, so also these little bags that the extensions come in are awesome. So like, I make sure to just be really gentle, put her right back. So again, this was MIYA. We love you, MIYA. And then our next pony, which I have a different style, as long as my hair cooperates, because I just slapped all that gel into it. But this is Jordynn. We love Jordynn. Yeah, this is Jordynn, the same color, champagne blonde, and this is a wavy pony. It's not as long, but it gives you a bunch of volume. Oh my gosh, wish us all luck that I'm gonna be able to get this hair out. Okay, so my idea, oh yeah, we're fine. So what I wanna do for this look, because the slicked back look is coming back, and I feel like Gen Zs think that they know everything, but we were the slickiest of them all when we used to slick our front side bangs down. But so I used to do, when I used to do like my lower bun or lower pony, I would part my hair in the middle and I would brush my hair like straight down, like right above my ears. There's so much hair everywhere. But what I've really been liking lately is instead of brushing it straight down, I like to still keep that part there, but brush it back. Gel is no joke, people. Okay, so again, I'm going to find that center part, brush it back, and then I'm going to use a double elastic. So we're staying slick, but we're not doing a high pony. We're doing more of like a middle to low pony moment. All right, so again, I'm gonna double tie that as tight as I possibly can so we're nice and snatched. We're gonna clip her in, so it's a little bit harder because I can't like see. But we're gonna feel around and I'm gonna dig those clips into the pony and then I'm gonna wrap her around. I also feel like this is like, I know that a lot of my friends that have gotten married have had to use extensions, even if they're doing an updo, because they need more, they just to like get that really glam look, their hairstylists recommend that they get extensions. And my problem is when I would just have the normal clip-in extensions, just the normal ones, not a pony, I would like try to somehow maneuver like hiding them under my hair, but having just a pony made to be a pony extension is like life-changing. So I feel like this would really come in handy if you're getting married or a guest at a wedding and doing an updo. Like, stop. I'm obsessed. I'm obsessed. These are so good. I can't even explain to you. Definitely go check them out, guys. Like, I could not be happier. Just like look at, where are we going? What are we doing? Are we going over here? Are we going over there? Alright guys, I know this was just a short and sweet little hair tutorial, but I just like look at the difference, all of the difference, the confidence is here, and the quality is so good. It looks like, especially this one, like just have the natural wavy pony vibes, but with all the hair. Give me all the hair and it blends so good, so good. All right, thank you to INH for everything. You guys are amazing. Go check them out. Use my link in the description below and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you so much. Bye.